See you guys. Right guys, train 203. So funny, like I train always on the hog right. Where's platform, what is it, 9 3/4? Where's Dumbledore? Nah, this is beautiful. What a great experience so far, huh? Right? You know? It's gonna get a lot better. So, oh, there's a number for the cabin, is there? Oh no, he's still... Yeah, Ollantaytambo, the name of the station. But from next month, I was saying, guys, in May, you can go directly from Cusco. I think because of the rain season and the tracks, also because there's some protests and they could do that. Cappuccino in there, Neil, yeah? But yeah, they voted that after restructure and in May you can go direct. So plus now it's off season, so it should be better. Well, it is better in a way. I hope that's not micey in there. Look. Oh my God, they put me in with the looks. Well, if there's VIP lounge, oh, very perfect. Actually, I'd like to go in there with the cargo if there's a few beers, you know. Are we actually walking these tracks or actually getting a train here?
No, we're going to this waiting room.
All right. Okay, interesting. It's a dog's life. It's a waiting room. All right, look at this. Oh yeah.
Room of the Belmont train.
Yes, the one we'll take the next time, guys, as I said. We nearly caught Gag. Cappuccino, where we? Yeah. You have to pay for them bathrooms. No, I don't think so. Huh? They're free, yeah? You don't want to see what's next. Okay, the bathrooms are quite clean there. Well, obviously with PeruRail and that. No, yes, it is. So, well, is this the train? Is it? I think it is. It's early. Alright. So we're a bit early, so let's try the coffee here.
Yeah, let's go to
BuyMeACoffee, let's try, yeah. Sorry lads, any coffees? How are you? Start. Yeah.
Cappuccino or?
Sí, cappuccino.
Sí.
Hola.
Una.
Let's have. Okay. I'm not prepared now though, huh? Is this Pisco, is it?
Check.
Huh?
Ron Alto Andino. I don't know, special kind of.
Oh, rum. Oh, okay, look, you can actually go in there. Some of the room they're waiting for the posh one by the looks of them.
Yeah.
In there, look. Make sure when I go on that I look with the snazzy hat, you know? If not, I'm not allowed on that train. I like this hat, by the way, guys. It's my favorite hat. Guys. Very interesting mix, French, California, Colombian, Brazilian. It's what traveling about. So we're getting a second coffee here, making sure we have change because they don't. I thought this was our train, but it's not. I bought in Cusco. It's already gone nearly, Patrick. Yeah, I was told by people in Cusco, locals, say don't buy there, you know, it's $6. And what are you gonna do up there, you know? Alright. Waiting on the train, guys. Should be in 10 minutes. What is it? 2 or 3? 2 or 3, yeah. So looking forward to getting in this.
On our ticket it is.
Finally, This is it? G, where are we? Nice guys, here we go. We exchange contacts, that's it. What? We exchange contacts. I have a YouTube channel also, and you can check the video when I do of this, you know? Hi. Peru expedition to Machu Picchu. Carriage F, guys. That's where the best people go, always. That's it. Alright guys, so they check your passport as well, make sure you bring that. I actually wasn't going to at the start, you know. Alright. Interesting, nice guys, look. What is it, 30 something? Huh?
Those are ours.
These?
Yes.
Perfect. See how lucky I am guys, I always get the window seat. So it's 37, 38. Second way. So this is the cabin. This is the expedition, which is the more economic. I see already snacks and that. Little bar. I might actually do a few cocktails here, will I? Who wants cocktails on the train, guys? Alright guys, 10:30 and we are moving here. Leaving this train station, heading for Machu Picchu, guys. Interesting, let's see what gonna up on this trip. I think there's a nice river here beside us already, look.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Ollantaytambo,
Oh, look at that.
which is a living example of what an Inca town was like. Here, you'll find houses, streets, and canals, as they were in the time of the Inca Empire.
This is gonna be a nice train
The name
ride.
of the town and the archaeological site
See.
Chief Ollanta, who according to traditional oral storytelling, fell in love with the princess, the daughter of the Inca Pachacuta, for which she was severely punished. Within the Ollantaytambo archaeological site,
Okay guys, just before I forget, recommendation if you get the train here, make sure you get the seat numbers. Yeah, ask for the left side if you're going to Machu Picchu, because the river's on this side, you know. That's why we were sitting on 37 there, but the guy told us it's better here because you're gonna see more, you know. So far guys, great view. We only left a minute and a half ago. So
Is located at the back or front of the coach and may be used when the train is in motion. To avoid accidents, please do not put your hands or head out of the windows. Our train captain and crew on board will be more than pleased to assist with
the Inter-Andean Valley, the train speed will range from 30 to 45 kilometers per hour. Thank you for your attention.
this is fantastic, guys.
Therefore, the safety of our passengers is of utmost concern. Thank you for your attention.
This is so beautiful already, guys. It's fantastic. Mesmerizing, actually. Alright, guys, so just now the train has started. Lucky me that the hotel I'm staying in, which I'm probably gonna have a little video for thank you because they have been absolutely fantastic. They've prepared a little breakfast bag for me. So look, let's open and see what's in it. And I hope you enjoy the views also behind me, you know. This is so far the best train ride I've had. Okay, so let's see the breakfast goodie bag. Water, check. Although I already had the water, but yeah, good, because supposedly up there it's like $6 per wow. By the way, I don't know what to look. Okay, so we have water. We have this Grano Mix energy bar. we have some cookies. We have an orange, nice orange. And finally, sandwich, guys, ham and cheese. So this is the breakfast. Very nice, this hotel, guys. They asked us whenever we go on an expedition, that's what they prepare for people. So beautiful. Saves us $6 in Machu Picchu. And yeah, I'm gonna eat it now in a second because I think they're also gonna bring breakfast there or some tea or something. So obviously you get the most out. Well, they might charge us back. Let's see. But in the meantime, guys, look, just look at this beauty. Yeah, this side is better. You have the river and that, a bit of plantations. It's amazing, guys. ¿Esa qué es?
Esto es una cerveza artesanal de trigo.
Artesanal.
Ah.
Tiene trigo y cebada.
¿Cuánto cuesta esta?
Igual.
Uguale, 15.
Los tres, 15.
15 son. Esto es IPA.
Questa che è lager, come si dice? Try this.
¿Sí?
Sì, una di essa.
Una.
Sì, una,
Sí,
dai.
para compartir. Sí.
Esto no tiene, dice, espuma tanto como la IPA.
Di donde è? Di quale regione? Di donde è? Da qui, Perù?
Sí.
De Cusco. Ah, buena.
¿Ves algún snack? Tenemos Pringles, barra energética de chocolate. Esta es de ajonjolí, barra de ajonjolí.
Ah, credo che...
Tenemos también maíz chuti para que pueda acompañar el viaje. Este también es muy costeño.
Sì.
Gracias, por
No,
lo
solo a tomare, grazie.
Si desea más, pues aquí.
Sì, se teniamo más, sì. Aspettiamo per il cambio, grazie. Alright guys, so from Cusco, Ravnimi, okay, and that's actually the thing that does the coffee, the animal
Oh, yes.
that squeeze the
Come
coffee.
here.
So let's taste it, guys. Cheers. Nice, guys, but for a change, usually we
Yeah.
get the Dorado, so nice though, nice and cold, nice guys, not bad.
Nice enough.
I'd actually advise to get this if you're on the Machu Picchu train, you know? You get the Dorado everywhere else, so. Cheers, guys. Guys, look at this train ride. Like, I'm serious. You need to be. I hope this video just justifies it because look. Like, what can you say, you know? By the way, if you ever get this, you come in, you do the PeruRail. I just want to show you, you will have the best visual ever in the bathroom. Just wait in here till it comes. Look.
MACHU PICCHU Pueblo. Please remain in your seats until the train has come to a complete stop, and make sure you have all of your hand luggage and personal belongings. A crew member will gladly assist you with any additional information. It's your preference, and we hope you enjoyed the trip. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you. So that was the best train ride I ever had, anyways. Grazie.
La salida por aquí.
I think you said don't forget anything, right? The exit is down there, I hope. But yeah, I think we're in Aguas Calientes now, guys. So that's why lucky you that you follow my channel because more than you usually will do today. Look at this place already. Actually, the director of tourism of Cusco, which we met on the street, which was pretty cool actually. I'd love to actually get this video and I'll get it out to him. But he also advised us, and also a nice friend that we met in the first episode, Graciela. Thank you also for the recommendation. But we're going to take a little different path than normal. We're not going to go from Aguas Calientes to Machu Picchu, but we're going to go to these, well, not that security, but there's these, how do you call them?
Thermal bath.
These thermal baths, yeah, which are in Santa Teresa. It's like a 2-hour hike, or I don't know, we need to see how to get there. I was thinking of a taxi or something, but I don't see any roads here, so let's see. And this, guys, I think we're here, so let's check this place out. Alright guys, we have arrived. Oh yeah. So this is your Belmont waiting, look. Okay, let me exchange contact with this guy. How was it?
Yeah, nice.
Good, yeah?
Yeah.
Beautiful ride, huh?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Very green. Very green.
Nice, yeah. Okay, we exchange contact.
We have to take another train or something.
Yeah, out I think. I think maybe. We check around there where you get it. Alright guys, so we just walked out of the train station, eh? Good morning, yeah. As you can see, if you need a tour guide, you can just ask them. There's quite a few. Nice, good, thanks. Thank you. So you go probably get a few nice souvenirs around there, by the way, also. As you can see, guys, very eager to get your sols, you know. Same as anywhere, I guess. You go to Rome, they want this. You want your euros. You go to the US, New York, they want your dollars. Colombia, they want your Colombian pesos. They want your Mexican pesos. So, but nice, guys, you know. Oh yeah, Mexico, they'll take anything actually off you. Guys, this is super nice. So that's what happens when you get out of the train station in Machu Picchu. That's interesting, whatever she's eating there. Wow, when did you see this now? Oh, absolutely, you need to get here. That train ride was the best one I ever did, by the way. Look at this, guys, you ready? Look. Wow. Amazing, eh? Absolutely amazing, guys. Look. I love traveling. So yeah, if we weren't going for this for you guys also, you know, by the way, look, Machu Picchu, Pueblo. If we weren't going to this place, you could also do this in a one day, but I would not recommend that. Stay one night, and not even here in Aguas Caliente, but where we're about to go, because it's better, it's less touristy, and you have these thermal baths which are better. So we need to get a train from here to there. If not, you just come here to Machu Picchu, and it's a 2-hour hike. So I'm presuming it's somewhere above these mountains, guys. Is where, look at that cave, by the way, there up there. Somewhere here is where the Inca Empire used to be, you know. It's beautiful, guys. You feel it. The air is fresh. The mountains is amazing. The Andes are so beautiful. So I think we're just gonna go now. If I can record anything that we'll see, I will. If not, we need to check out. There's also a bus. I think that brings you. This bus might bring you to Machu Picchu also. Look, right? Yeah. So one of these buses, guys. You either hike or get the bus. And well, we keep watching to see how we're gonna do it, you know. But yeah. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed that train ride, and let's keep going. Let's travel. Let's go.